In this video, we will learn how to use the split by operator. Now, when I type words in this input, you can see that a word count is being displayed here. Now, how are we doing this? We are doing this by using the operator split by. So what's happening here is this, that we are using the operator split by to take this text of words that we are typing in the input, and then we are converting that into a list by splitting it using the spaces between the words. So the space between the words is being used here as a delimiter, and then we use that to split the entire text string into a list of texts, and then we count the items in this list to display the number of words in the text string. So let's move to the editor and see how to implement this. So for this, we will do a word count, and then we will take the multi-line inputs value, and the first operator we will add before split by is the trimmed operator, which will remove the spaces from the front and the end of the entire text string, which might add an additional count to the list. And after that, we will apply the operator split by, and then in this we need to enter a delimiter or a text separator, which is a space in our case. So what we are doing is we will enter space, and we will use that to split the entire text string into a list of texts, and then we will do a count of the items in the list. So this is how we are using the split by operator to count the number of words in the input. Now I will go back to the page and see what we already saw earlier. When I type in this input, the number of words are being counted for the input. This tells us dynamically how many words we have entered in the input and a use case for the split by operator that we can use. So that's how the operator split by works. To learn more about such operators, follow the bubblingo operator series. Thank you. Check out bubblingo.com for more such resources.